Alright, recording the sewer here today from 509 Crockett Streets. Sewer access installed by Bob Oates a couple months ago on the west side of the home. I am about 50 feet out from the reel, standing here next to the pipe. This is where 2016 5th Avenue North section of sewer connects to 509 Crockett's. You can kind of see the tie-in at the top of the pipe. You can also see some buildup of toilet paper, likely a combination of toilet paper from both 509 and 2016 sewer line, because they both connect at this point. As you can see, the line is broken. It's missing the bottom entirely. This was noted during the project at 509 Crockett a couple months ago, which is why we installed our sewer liner up to this point. So there are past videos referencing this. I'm showing it again because this sewer line, or this break, caused a blockage this past Sunday, August 15th. I was on site August 15th to clear the blockage from this, from 509 Crockett. They had sewer backing up into their home. Cleared it. Was able to see this is what we're looking at. So the break is what caused the blockage. This is the spot where we were clogged. And now we are obviously open, but I'm unable to push the camera past this point. Again, this is where the two sewers connect. Come back from that point, you're going to go almost immediately into our Bob Oates sewer liner that we installed up to this point as part of the project at 509 Crockett. Come back from this point, we're going to get a look at this entire sewer liner. Show that the 509 Crockett's house is functioning totally up to that point. There's our connection to the PVC from the liner into that PVC cleanout, up the PVC cleanout, and there's the cleanout we're making the recording from. End the video there.